Okay, kill the guard until the engineer is free. Okay, engineer. Okay, the bombs. Bombs. Operator. Okay, engineer.
Right side's done.
Okay, kill the engineers on right side. Really fast. Okay, left side, come here. If you see any engineer alive, kill it, okay? Take the guard. Okay, slag. Remember, first elementalist cooldown, second potion, third one cooldown
This is
again.
this is a really good transition. You really want a hero for this one.
Elementalist. More DPS, come on. Okay, good, let's go. Next. Next is slag. Kill slag. Take the guard. Elementalist. Potions.
Healers help out. DPS. Gotta heal off.
Faster, faster, come on. Faster. Okay, the slag here.
Range, get on fire colors. There's one up. The elementalist is way too low, so it's gonna die. Just range, get on fire colors. Let melee
Take
kill
the
the
guard away
elementalist.
from us. Don't put it on you.
The fire colors are in defense.
Elementalist. Okay, is that next?
Range, kill fire colors.
DPS down. Should we res them for the elementalist DPS?
Yeah, accept, man. Okay, elementalist, cooldowns.
Would it be okay if we popped hero for the next elementalist? Healers, DPS, help out.
10%. Take the guards away.
Range,
Okay,
get them, fire
kill the
call.
I
guards,
was
kill the
just
guards.
in there to touch of death it.
Guards, fire callers, kill them.
Fire calling defense.
To the guard. There's one more guard, kill it fast.
They're still in defense, jeez.
Okay, let's go slow.
There's a lower slag. There's just, yeah, that one.
Heal up.
What's going on?
Popping divine him.
You got fixated, come here, come on, come here. There is a guy with a lag fixated there. He's on the tank, come to the elementalist. Okay, elementalist, everyone,
Fixate
go.
on me, the tank.
Guys, cleave all that shit down. Just spam your cleaves.
Okay, kill that really fast. Everybody move backwards.
Fire
Go-
calling
go to
guards
the
gotta
wall.
die. Fox up. If there are any hunters, just keep chaining Fox.
Any trank or raid cooldown?
Yeah, use it now.
Let me get this last guard down.
Heal me up, huh? Okay, I'm on 3.
Taunting the boss. I still have a guard on me, by the way.
Range kill that guard.
Go on the guard fast.
There's also a fire caller up, kill it. Range, please.
Just kill the guard really fast. Okay, it's cool. Creepy as the boss. Kill the druid.
Can we pop second hero for the person that died?
Keep moving.
Come when you can.
Yeah, we gotta keep moving. Room's starting to fill up.
Yeah, we have space. Should be fine. Okay, move backwards a bit.
I'm at 3.
No more DPS, guys.
I'll have a him up here in a little bit.
Heal me up.
Popping him now.
Taunting.
Use defensives.
And
Defensives,
all
guys.
has the boss.
Use personals.
Keep moving. Got a long way to go.
Fox, if it's up on it.
Nice.
Oh wow, nice fucking trinket. Gee.